I really hope that you are doing fine, as it has not been a good morning for everyone always in this pandemic, has it? The second wave has hit us, and we are at war, guys, as more people have died in this pandemic than at the Kargil war. So wear your arms, carry your ammunition, and we will drive this infiltrator away. What I meant was wear your mask, carry your sanitizer, and we will win this war this time around. The least we can do is to not venture out of our houses. And actually, there's a very pretty good reason for it for you to do so. We have the IPL, guys. The cricket is on. The IPL is going on, and what else should be on is your YouTube and Instagram and our own soft signal on it. I know you are having a fantastic week. You are watching your favorite host now. I am Srijit Iyer, and this is episode number 11. The two teams which are locking horns tonight, they are locking horns to survive, they are locking horns to win, and they are locking horns to prove their might. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish, is what they say. And that's exactly what these teams should believe in. We have tonight Punjab Kings taking on Hyderabad Sunrisers. What we also have are two exciting panelists, one from a different time zone and another from a different street across me. We have with us Omkar joining us all the way from Ireland, and also Ritesh Ambar. Welcome to the show, gentlemen. Without further delay, let's go to the very first round, which is called as Rishte Mein To Hum Tumhare Baap Lagte.
So I support Orange Army. So although we didn't start well, but there were a few positives from the last games. So our batting is quite good. We should look at our bowling. So there are sectors to improve in bowling. So David Warner will look at that, and the team selection. There were a lot of changes in the last match, as you know. So I guess David Warner will play tomorrow best 11. So hoping for the win. Go Orange Army.
Dave, David Warner must find a solution for the problems mounting for SRH. Let's go to our other panelist now, Ritesh Ambar. Please tell us why is your team back.
BAP is Punjab because of the consistency the openers are showing. The batting lineup is quite deep than SRH, and most probably the most important, the SRH haven't find their best playing 11 till now, and it's too late for them, I think. And most important, our younger bowler Arshdeep is in best form, and this makes the team BAP. The Punjab will come out the flying colors in today's match.
Punjab will indeed come out of our flying colors, is what Ritesh believes, and SRH still have something to work on, is what I believe. It was a fantastic round. After a hopeful first round, our panelists will hope that their team will fare well tomorrow. Let's go to the second round. We have Rahul, naam to suna ही होगा. Let's go to Omkar now. Please tell us, who is your Rahul, naam to suna ही होगा player?
So आप एक गेस करोगे? तो मेरा राहुल गूगली डालता है.
राहुल गूगली डालता है.
हाँ.
तो राशिद ही होंगे.
बराबर. तो कल के मैच में मैं होप कर रहा हूँ कि राशिद भाई बढ़िया विकेट लेके जाएंगे. पंजाब को जल्दी ऑल आउट करेंगे. As you saw in yesterday's match, Amit Mishra bowled beautifully. So I'm hoping that Rashid will play a huge role in tomorrow's match.
Omkar has a real high hopes on Rashid Khan, who he thinks will fare well and will make his impact on SRH first win tonight. So let's go to Ritesh now. Please tell us, who is your Rahul Naam to Suna Yoga player?
My Rahul is Deepak Hooda, due to his ability to play knocking shots and play maturely, and most importantly, he provides depth in the middle order for Punjab, which is the most weakest point of the Hyderabad till now in this IPL journey. That's why my Rahul is Rahul. And to add on to Omkar, Rashid Khan has not taken many wickets till now, and in IPL the best dot ball is the wicket taking ball. That's why I think Rashid will play an important role, but Huda is my Rahul.
तो
Awesome, awesome, man.
मैं इस पे ऐड करना चाहता हूँ, जो चीजें होती नहीं है पहली पहली बार, तो ऑब्वियसली बाद में होती ही है। सो राशिद भाई विकेट लेने ही वाले हैं, बहुत सारे लेंगे। सो बचा के
This is
रखो।
a great perspective to have. Both of you are really confident in your team. SRH really needs a push. I think Rashid will give them a push. As Ritesh also said, that Deepak Huda provides depth to their team. So it is to be seen that who fare well in tomorrow's match. It was a fantastic round. So let's try and finish this episode really quickly because Ritesh's team, Punjab, and also his pet dog seems very hungry. Ritesh's team is hungry for a win, and his pet dog is really hungry. I think let's go to the very next round, which is called as bouncers, where I'm going to ask you some tricky questions. Please try and answer it. Let's go to Omkar now. I'm going to make you the captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad. Imagine that you are a captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad. What would you advise to the team, or what would you not advise to the team after three losses? Three losses.
So first of all, I will advise team to be in present. So it's okay to lose 3 matches, but it is more important to concentrate on future. So we will work hard. We will do the necessary practices, and we will tick all the boxes which were unchecked in the previous matches. So that would be my mantra as to key to success in next matches.
Keep keeping your mind keeping your mind in present is really important, and which is really difficult for everyone to do. Let's go to Ritesh now to Punjab. Let's see how he's keeping his mind. Warner has scored 950s out of his last 10 innings against you. That's an impressive 9 out of 10. So what will you do to get him out tomorrow? What will be your tactics?
Yes, absolutely. Warner has played an excellent innings against us, but he has also struggled against pacers, as we said in India Australia Test. Siraj has troubled him a lot, and I think there is that is his weakness. We have experienced bowler Mohammad Shami. He can tackle him, and yes, our strategy will be to take early wickets from Warner and play an attacking field, as Warner is the only player in Hyderabad and they have no deep batting order. I think this will be helpful to keep to take early wicket.
It
So
is to be
Sri,
seen that if the will, yes.
yeah, I want to add one point to this. I guess the
Okay,
only,
add on.
yeah, David Warner will be only one player enough for Punjab to lose their match. So be ready for it. So it will be 10.
Correct. Okay, it will be 10 in 11 innings is what Omkar is telling, and it is really for us to look that whether fast bowlers will take wicket on spinning Chennai track is what is to be seen. It was a fantastic round. It's now that time of the show wherein our panelists will showcase their fantasy 11. They will showcase what they have made for tonight's match. Let's go to Omkar directly. Please show your fantasy 11.
So Srijit, here is my fantasy 11. So as you can see here is the top order, explosive top order, as you can say, and the likes of Rashid Khan in spin bowling and Mujibur Rahman. They will play a better role tomorrow because of Chennai's pitch, and David Warner because of his 10. Tomorrow he will score 10 out of his 11 innings, 50 against Punjab.
And I'm really sure it would have been difficult to pick today's fantasy 11, but I'm also sure that our followers will have something to take away from this team. SRH team was extremely unreliable tonight for you to pick. Let's go to Ritesh now. Please show your fantasy.
So this is my fantasy 11. As you see, the top two batsmen, Tony Bairstow and KL Rahul, top in form. They are my captains, and the two spinners, Rashid Khan and Jalaj Saxena, will be crucial in Chennai's track.
I'm very surprised to see that David Warner is not your captain, keeping in mind his record against the other team. It is extremely reliable team that you have chosen with a mix of spinners and young fast bowlers like Khalil Ahmed and Ashdeep Singh. It's a very interesting thing that I would say. I hope you liked this episode. It was a fantastic episode. We have now come to the very end of the video. If you love what we do, please like, share.
Yes, sorry आपको काट रहा हूँ. आप बढ़िया होस्ट हो, पर सॉरी आपको काट रहा हूँ. सो एक बात कहना चाहूंगा मैं पंजाब वालों को. सो कल आप इफ्तारी हमारे साथ मनाना, क्योंकि राशिद भाई बहुत सारे विकेट लेके आने वाले हैं. सो बिरयानी खाएंगे साथ में.
हमने भी आपकी कड़वी हार के लिए लस्सी तैयार रखी है. अर्शदीप आपको अच्छी लस्सी परोसेंगे.
देखते हैं जरूर.
ये सब सुनकर मुझे बहुत भूख लगने लगी है. चलो फटाफट शो खत्म करते हैं. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. द नेम ऑफ द चैनल इज टॉप सिग्नल. कमेंट डाउन बिलो योर फेवरेट पिक्स and also do not forget to follow on our Insta page. The details are given in the video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it.